Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a Walmart haul with you. This is kind of part 2 to the stock up haul that I talked about or referred to in the Dollar General haul that I just shared. I like to stock my cabinets, my laundry detergent, all that stuff up for at least 3 months. So that's going to reflect in this haul. The Dollar General haul and an upcoming Dollar Tree haul. So I did get a Angel Soft 24 pack of toilet paper. I'm going to insert a picture of that now. It's huge. I did pick up one of these Scotty's tissues. This is not the best deal. This is $1.26 for 110 tissues. It does have a cute box, very spring-like, but not the best tissue deal you can get. I grabbed the Ultra Palmolive Almond Milk and Blueberry scent. I used to love this scent, love this one. So I wanted to get it again, and it is 20 fluid ounces. This was $1.26. The toilet paper was $15.46, and this was $2.68. And I did grab another one of the Ultra Palmolive Ultra Strength dish soaps. This is the 70 fluid ounce one, and it's a refill size. This refills my container 5 times. This is roughly 5 months worth of soap, and this stuff's great. A little goes a long way, and this was $8. And before I get into the health and beauty items that I picked up, I did get Connor 3 t-shirts for spring, all for $4.98 at Walmart. And I'm just going to insert a picture of those. He did pick them out himself. They are made of the soft tee material as well. So very pleased for under $5. 2 of them are graphic tees. One of them is a more striped, more dressier shirt for picture day. I did pick up a bottle of these Equate ibuprofen, 200 milligram ibuprofen pain relievers. You get 40 for $1. A huge thing of these Parent Choice wipes. These come in handy for the bathroom, makeup stuff, and you can't go wrong. There's 300 count in this 3 pack here. These were $6.70 something cents. And then I typically don't share these every time I buy them, but I wanted to share them today because I got them on sale. They were on clearance in the actual sanitary tampon pad kind of aisle. But they were on sale. They had a bunch of different ones on sale, and I picked up 2 of the Stay Free jumbo packs, and these are supposed to last 3 months. I just picked up the regular. There's 44 in here, and I've been buying these for a couple years, and I will say that they do last 3 cycles, so 3 months, and they're nice. They're thin, discreet, and they absorb nicely. So I picked up 2 of these, and they were $3.75 each. Normally these were about $6 each, so $3.75. It's a really good deal, so I grabbed 2 of them. Last couple items that I picked up at Walmart, the Equate shave gel in coconut. I haven't used the shave gel in so long because I do prefer using conditioner, but this is 7 ounces, and this was $2 and I want to say 28 cents, something like that. And I did try this out already, but I'm still going to share it in the haul. It's a thick, creamy gel, and it smells of a light coconut scent, which is nice. I like the cute packaging as well. I love the colors. It's very eye-catching. And $2 and like 28 cents, like I said. So nice shave gel overall. And the last thing I did pick up, I am almost through with the Garnier shampoo I got in December, and I like to wash my hair once a week, so shampoo does last a while. And this time I wanted to pick up the Herbal Essence, the 2-in-1 coconut milk shampoo. I love this one. I've used this so much in the past, but I got it in the pump bottle. This is 29 ounces. And it's the Hello Hydration shampoo. But I love the way this smells. I love how it gets my hair clean. And in one easy step, the 2-in-1. So. And this was $8. I feel like that's not terrible considering this is going to last 4 or so months. Like that. So that is everything I picked up at Walmart to restock my cabinets. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. And thank you so very much for watching.